Hello. Today, I'll be presenting a demonstration of the Alleviate mental health chatbot, which acts as a virtual counselor for patients and assists care providers. Our work consists of various essential modules using transformers-based, state-of-the-art natural language generation methods, employing domain-specific and general-purpose knowledge graphs. It takes in data from two sets of interactions, one between patient and care provider, giving us provider's notes, and a chatbot agent, providing us with conversation history. From the inputs, all the relevant information is processed and stored in a personalized knowledge graph. The knowledge graph is updated with all new information. The system also performs safety checks on the natural language generated sentences, using medical guidelines to respond with medically approved sentences. On the left-hand side of the screen, we can see the web interface of the chatbot, which can be used seamlessly by the patient to converse with the agent on a day-to-day basis about daily life, medications, and other topics. The conversation is further processed and relevant information is added to the patient's knowledge graphs at the back end, which can be seen on the right-hand side. As the conversation starts, the user starts talking about different medications he has been taking. Here, on the back end, we can see that based on the provider's notes, the system already has information related to the medications being consumed by the user, which further confirms by asking the question, have you been taking fluoxetine, and have you been prescribed enough refills? Here, in the back end, you can see the information we have extracted from domain-specific knowledge graphs, such as Mayo Clinic. The UMLS shows a counteracting behavior between the fluoxetine and ziprasidone medications consumed by the user. Upon talking further, the user mentions an issue with the medication. The user mentions feeling a strange heartbeat and having trouble sleeping. Similar information can be seen in the backend associated with the side effects of the drug fluoxetine causing restlessness and irregular heartbeat. The information about the drug, its counter effects, and the problems faced by the user is immediately alerted to the care provider for further action. The user later goes for an offline intervention with the care provider. In this act, the chatbot follows up with the user about the exercise schedule. The information about the exercise schedule was obtained from the provider's notes as shown on the right-hand side. Being asked about exercise, the user confirms completing a routine of training on the week. On that, the chatbot appraises the user, which acts as a positive response to the user. This act mentions health promotion and safety. All responses are tagged to a relevant question in the PHQ-9. As the conversation starts, the chatbot asks the user how well they are doing today. The intent to be alone is shown. It triggers a set of medically valid questions from the questionnaire. The back end of the chatbot uses process knowledge to provide a safety-constrained list of medically correct questions. Here, we can see the list of PHQ-9 concepts on the right-hand side, where initially the user's responses are mapped to the question, such as asking about feeling nervous, irritated, or bothered by relaxation troubles. Based on the conversation, the agent tags the responses to the 8th question in the PHQ-9. Here, in this case, it asks further questions to the user. The user displays extreme behavior, such as mentioning a gun in their lap. The agent tags the response to the label in the CSSRS. The clinician is alerted, and 911 emergencies are informed in the backend. Thank you for watching.